Ang sabi natin, no, sa mental health, kailangan we connect with people. We connect with the right people. How do we know that we are in the right circle? Kasi meron tayong mga kaibigan na we love so dearly. Pero the question is, how do we know that these are the right people? Ito sasabihin ko sa inyo. The older I get, the more I realize that the quality of my circle is more important than its size. Hindi importante na marami tayong kaibigan. As long as yung mga kaibigan nating yon ay naniniwala sa atin and they support us. Magkwento lang ako. Today, I had a normal conversation with my friends and I came to a realization. All throughout my life's journey, meron akong friends na nami-meet. Merong iba through work, merong iba mga patients ko, merong iba sa pageantry, meron namang iba nakilala ko lang somewhere due to my activities, my events. Meron akong childhood friends, mga kaibigan ko ng elementary, mga kaibigan ko ng high school, mga kaibigan ko ng college, and mga kaibigan ko ng medicine. All of them, thankful ako sa lahat kasi all of them taught me lessons. Different lessons. Pero only few stayed and grow with me. When I was younger, I thought having many friends adds value to me as a person. I thought the more friends I have, the more I am appreciated and the more I am valued. Now, na-realize ko na being in the right circle is more important. It's not more of the size Hindi gaano kadami, but how much growth I had with them and made me a better person. Yung mga iba taught me lessons na magaganda. Yung iba naman, iniwan akong sad. Pero lesson pa rin yon. Lahat ng dumadaan sa atin sa buhay, blessing yon. A lot of people often forget that the main purpose of being in a circle is continuously growing with it, never to be held back by it. May mga nagsasabi na friends tayo, pero alam niyo yon, sa harap lang tapos sinisiraan naman tayo pag nakatalikod tayo. Why not, kausapin mo muna yung tao para masabi niya kung ano rin ang side niya. Remember, a story have always two sides of the coin. Pwedeng ang narinig mo lang yung side ng isa and then ginudge mo na. Do you think you are in the right circle? Think about it.